Hey there, California car accident victims. If you've been in a vehicle accident, you know how overwhelming the aftermath can be. From medical bills to car repairs, it feels like the world is crashing down on you. But here's the good news. You don't have to face this alone. I'm talking about the law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez. These guys are experts in dealing with vehicle and passenger accident injuries. They've got your back every step of the way. And listen to this, they operate on a no recovery, no fee basis. That's right, if you don't get paid, they don't get paid. Imagine trying to handle all this legal stuff by yourself. It's risky, and you're already dealing with enough. You need an attorney who knows the ins and outs of California accident laws. With the law office of Norman Gregory Fernandez, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Plus, they only charge 25% on cases that settle during pre-litigation. That's a fraction of what some other firms take. And you won't pay a dime for their help in getting your car repaired or dealing with property damage. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. So what are you waiting for? Visit thepersonalinjury.com today. Or call our California Vehicle Accident Hotline at 800-816-1529. Get the help you deserve and get back to living your life. Remember, you've got nothing to lose and everything to win. The Law Office of Norman Gregory Fernandez, your best ally in tough times. Reach out now at thepersonalinjury.com or call 800-816-1529. Don't wait, get the justice and compensation you deserve. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.
You may call us 7 days a week, 24 hours a day on our California Personal Injury Hotline at 800-816-1529. Or go to callnorman.com now.
Callnorman.com. Car accident slips and falls. There's just one place you should call. Call Norman.